What's up guys, welcome back to another GGF video, and today I'll be doing a time-lapse build based around the AMD Radeon 7900 XTX TUF Gaming Edition. Now this card is an absolute beast. If you thought 4090s were large, this card is even bigger. Now I want to do this little introduction at the start just to go over some of the hardware I'll be using in this build. Now I will be keeping the air cooler on this card, as I will be doing some benchmarks and some temperature testing towards the end of the video, so I want to see how well this humongous cooler works for that. Now in terms of the CPU, I will be going with an AMD 7800X3D because we all know that is one of the best gaming CPUs that is on the market, so it only made sense to tie that in with this GPU. Now I will be doing a CPU loop only because you might be wondering, hey, GGF doesn't really do air cooled builds, so I will be keeping the air cooler on the card, but I'll do a sick, really clean custom loop with EK water cooling. And for the case, I've gone with the Fractal North XL. This was just released and I really like how that front wood panel accent works well with this card. Now, I would say this card matches it all. There's no wood, it's a different color. It doesn't even have the same aesthetic, but for some reason, it just ties in really nicely. And I have done some custom work on the inside of the case that matches the external wood on the outside, so keep an eye out for that. And I really think Fractal Design could in the future maybe play around with bringing some of those wood accents to the inside of the cases, because I think it looks really sick. For storage and SSDs, we have a heap of XPG gaming gear, and then for the motherboard, we've gone with the TUF Gaming once again, and that is the B650 Plus Wi-Fi. So let's jump in and get started.